Think you've seen every kitchen gadget? These hidden kitchen finds are making cooking faster, easier, and smarter. Stay till the end, discover all 3 game-changing kitchen finds.
Tired of messy fried eggs? Elevate your breakfast game with these professional egg rings. Create perfectly round restaurant-quality eggs every single time. Durable, non-stick, and incredibly easy to use. Simplify your cooking today. Buy now from eBay. You'll find the link in the first comment and the video description.
Tired of messy watermelon cutting? Meet the stainless steel watermelon slicer. Made from high-quality stainless steel for long-lasting performance and effortless slicing. The innovative diamond pattern design creates perfectly even watermelon slices for beautiful serving and easy enjoyment. No more struggling with knives. Slice, serve, and enjoy your watermelon in seconds. Serve watermelon neatly and elegantly for family gatherings, parties, and everyday refreshment. Get this practical kitchen tool today for an amazing value. Order yours today. Buy now from eBay. You'll find the link in the first comment and in the video description.
Tired of messy, uneven cuts in the kitchen? Meet your new secret weapon, the 2-in-1 egg and tomato slicer. Perfect slices every single time. No mess, no effort, just clean, professional results in seconds. A must-have kitchen tool. And it's only $4.43. Don't miss this deal. Buy now on eBay. Link in the first comment and video description.